Thrifting is an adventure. It's not just about finding cheap items. It's about the journey, the excitement of the unknown. Every time I step into a thrift store, I feel a rush of anticipation. They say one person's trash is another's treasure. But can we turn thrift store jewelry into something truly stunning? Today, I'm taking on the ultimate jewelry glow-up challenge, transforming secondhand finds into brand new statement pieces. Let's get crafting. It's a treasure hunt for forgotten gems. Each item has a story, a past life, waiting to be discovered and cherished once more. I love the thrill of the search. The feeling of sifting through shelves and racks, never knowing what you might uncover, is exhilarating. Each aisle holds so much possibility. From vintage clothing to antique furniture, the potential is endless. You never know what you might find. Sometimes it's something you didn't even know you needed until you see it. One day, I found a box of old jewelry. It was like stumbling upon a hidden treasure chest. It was tucked away in a corner, almost forgotten by everyone else. The jewelry was dull and tarnished. It had clearly seen better days, but I saw something special in it. But I saw its potential. I knew with a little love and care it could be beautiful again. I knew I could give it new life. The thought of restoring it to its former glory excited me. I carefully took the box home. I couldn't wait to start the transformation process. I couldn't wait to get started. The anticipation of seeing the final result was thrilling. I wanted to transform these forgotten pieces. Each one had the potential to become something stunning. They deserved a second chance to shine. With some cleaning and polishing, they could be as good as new. I envisioned them as stunning new creations. The possibilities were endless. Each piece could be reimagined in countless ways. This is where the magic happens. The transformation process is where the true beauty of these items is revealed. I knew I needed help. I was stepping into a world that was completely new to me, and I didn't want to make any mistakes that could be costly or dangerous. Melting silver was new to me. The process seemed intricate and required a level of precision that I wasn't sure I had. I wanted to do it safely. The last thing I wanted was to injure myself or damage the materials. I also wanted to do it right. Craftsmanship is important to me, and I wanted my work to reflect that. So I reached out to experts. I knew that learning from those with experience would be invaluable. Sarah and Sweden are metalsmiths. They have been working with metals for years and have a wealth of knowledge. They have years of experience. Their expertise was evident in the way they handled the materials. They taught me the importance of safety. They emphasized that safety should never be compromised. They also showed me the proper techniques. From melting to molding, every step was crucial. I learned that sterling silver is best for melting. Its properties make it ideal for beginners and experts alike. It has a consistent melting point. This consistency makes the process more predictable and manageable. This makes it easier to work with. Knowing this gave me more confidence in my abilities. Sarah and Sweden emphasized patience. They taught me that taking my time would yield better results. They said that rushing the process could be dangerous. Patience and precision were key to success. I took their advice to heart. Their guidance has been instrumental in my journey, and I am grateful for their support. The first step was to prepare the silver. We cut it into small pieces. This helps it melt evenly. We used a crucible to hold the silver. A crucible is a container that can withstand high heat. We used a blowtorch to melt the silver. We also used flux powder. Flux helps to prevent oxidation. Oxidation can make the silver dull. Melting the silver was mesmerizing. It transformed from a solid to a liquid. The molten silver glowed with an ethereal light. It was like witnessing alchemy firsthand. We experimented with different casting methods. We tried water casting, a fascinating technique where molten metal is poured into water. This creates unique organic shapes that are both unpredictable and beautiful. We also tried open mold casting, a more controlled method that allows for specific designs. This is great for making pendants and earrings, giving us the ability to create intricate and detailed pieces. We even tried drop casting, where molten metal is dropped into a mold from a height. This creates small, delicate discs that can be used in various types of jewelry. After casting, we let the pieces cool, allowing the metal to solidify and take its final form. Then came the finishing touches, where we meticulously prepared our tools. We filed, sanded, and polished each piece, ensuring that every detail was perfect. Finally, the jewelry was ready, each piece a testament to our hard work and creativity. I was amazed by the transformation, seeing the raw materials turn into something so beautiful. The old, unwanted jewelry was gone, replaced by something entirely new and unique. In its place were stunning, unique pieces that told a story of transformation and rebirth. I couldn't wait to wear them, to showcase the beauty of our craftsmanship. They were a testament to the power of creativity, each piece a unique work of art. And they were a reminder that even forgotten things can have a beautiful second life, transformed by the hands of an artist. Okay, what do you think? Did I nail the transformation, or should I stick to shopping? Let me know your fave piece in the comments. And if you love creative makeovers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy magic. See you in the next one.